Hey guys, let's talk about BODMAS rule in this video. BODMAS rule is something that is used in everyday mathematics, so it's very important to know this concept. Well, BODMAS rule is all about giving priority to some of the mathematical operations over some other mathematical operations. So suppose that right now we don't know anything about BODMAS rule and we have to evaluate this expression. There could be two ways of solving this expression. One way would be to solve this subtraction operation first and then do the multiplication, or another way could be to first solve the multiplication operation and then do the subtraction. So let's do it both ways. So first I will do the subtraction operation here. So I get 7, 10 minus 3 is 7 times 2. Now the multiplication operation. So 7 times 2 is 14. And another way of solving this expression is to first solve the multiplication. So 3 times 2 is 6 and we have to subtract 6 from 10. So 10 minus 6. Then we perform the subtraction operation. So 10 minus 6 is 4. Well, the correct answer, the correct way of solving this is this method and not this method. It's only because of BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule gives more priority to multiplication over this subtraction operation. So let's see what is BODMAS rule. So BODMAS stands for brackets over division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So this is the priority as stated by the BODMAS rule. First, whenever you solve an expression, firstly you have to solve the brackets. Then you have to solve the over. Over means exponentials. Like you have 2 raised to 2, something raised to something. So that's over. Thirdly, we have multiplication and division. So these two have same priority. Then we have addition and subtraction, which again have the same priority. So whenever in any expression you have operations with same priority, you just go from left to right. You go by solving them from left to right. Let's do an example. Let us solve this expression and make use of BODMAS rule. So we have the priority here. So in this expression, firstly we'll solve the brackets because brackets have priority over other operations. So this is equal to 2 plus 3 is 5 times 5 minus 3 square. Now in this expression we'll have to solve the square first because over has more priority than division, multiplication, addition or subtraction. So this is equal to 5 times 5 minus 3 square is 9. Now in this expression we'll have to solve the multiplication first before the subtraction. So this is equal to 5 times 5 is 25 minus 9. And then what's left is the subtraction operation, which is equal to 25 minus 9 is equal to 16. So this is how you simplify any expression. So keep in mind, while you simplify an expression, you have to use the BODMAS rule. Otherwise, you will get a wrong answer. Let us solve another expression. Now in this expression you have operators with the same priority. You have addition and subtraction, and which has the same priority. So whenever you have same priority, you go from left to right. So in this expression you'll go from left to right. So we'll solve first 3 plus 2. So 3 plus 2 is 5. We have minus 5 plus 6. The rest of the terms as they are. This is equal to, again we'll solve the left operation first. So this is equal to 5 minus 5 is 0 plus 6. What remains is 6. So this is how you solve whenever you have operators with same priority in an expression. What could be the answer of this question? So again it's simple. We know the priority and we'll just have to solve this according to the BODMAS rule. So in this expression we have an exponentiation operation, that is over. So we'll first solve this. So this is equal to 7 square is 49. Other terms are as it is. Okay, now in the above expression there are two operations with same priority. Of course there is a minus, but you will have to give more priority to division and multiplication. But as there are two operations with same priority, you'll solve the left one first. So we'll solve this one first. So this is equal to 49 minus 8 times 2 is 16 divided by 4. Now this has become simple. We have only two operations, and of the two, division takes more priority. So 49 minus 16 divided by 4 gives us 4. So this is equal to 49 minus 4 is 45. So our answer is option A. Let us solve this question. So before you solve this question, I want to tell you that brackets also have priority. So first priority goes to the round brackets or parentheses. Second priority goes to the braces or curly braces. And the third priority goes to square brackets or simply brackets. Now solve this question and find out the answer. So in the expression you have curly braces, so these are the curly braces, but inside that you have another expression. So you have to solve that expression. So let's write that 2 times 8 minus 1. Now in this expression you have brackets, square brackets, so you have to solve that first. So this comes out as 8 minus 1 is 7 times 2, and this is 14. So the value of this is 14. So let us write that. So we have 28 minus 14 plus 1. Now this becomes a simple expression. We now have two operations with same priority, so you'll solve the left one first. So this is equal to 28 minus 14 is 14 plus 1. Now 14 plus 1 is 15. So your answer is option D.